This segment is sponsored by Virtuoso Builders.
Well, Vegas is much more than all the lights and all the great food. It is also a great place for home remodeling inspiration. And Mike and Molly Salary of Virtuoso Builders are here this morning to talk about the International Builders Show, which is coming up. It's good to see you guys. Thanks for coming in.
Of course.
All right, so what is the International Builders Show?
So I'll take that one. The International Builders Show is the largest construction expo in the world, and it's actually done alongside the Kitchen and Bath Show. So as you can imagine, there's so much to see, from vendors, classes, live demonstrations, listening to speakers who are experts in their field, and it doesn't hurt that it's in Vegas.
Right, bonus. How does it help your clients when you attend conferences and shows like this?
It's a good question. I mean, Molly and I have been doing this for over 20 years now, and every time we go, we learn something new or 20 things new, whether it's a cool product that we want to put in someone's home, or maybe a better way to build something, or a greener way to build something, or even just a better way to run our business. So all of that makes us more valuable to the client, so we can give them the experience they deserve.
Right, you got to get out, you got to see what's popular, what's trending, what people are leaning towards in order to bring that back to your clients and give them the best experience. So, okay, Molly, what do you think will be trending? What are you expecting to see this year?
Well, on the construction side, there's over 1,700 exhibitors.
Wow.
And on the kitchen and bath side, there's over 600. So there's a lot of ground to cover. There was some video they're showing right there of how massive it is. Technology is always a big thing, but this year I think the hot topic is going to be AI and how they're incorporating that.
Okay.
There's a lot of education that we go to, and this year I think they're doing what they call labs. So that just means there are shorter classes and more of specialized classes. So Mike and I divide and conquer. He goes one way, I go the other, and then we're like, okay,
so
what are we going to learn?
Seeing things, it's also learning too.
A lot.
That's a big part of it, actually, is learning.
Okay, let's talk about if you're focusing on anything specific for clients that you already have, maybe.
Yes, I am focusing on a couple different clients. One specifically are countertops, and there's so much to see, but this is incorporating some glass in it, so very specialized. Can't wait to go look for that. Another client, we're looking for some exterior lights, so love looking. That's visual comfort. That's my favorite.
Oh yeah,
So much fun to see what's out there. I mean, when you're, looking through magazines or visiting model homes, it's just a portion of some of the things that are out there. So when you guys are going and attending these big shows, you know what is available to your clients.
Oh yeah.
And I mean, I even have a client that has a very specialized glass application that no one here will do. So I'm hoping to find someone there, or another one where we don't want to rip out a whole fireplace. We just want to kind of make this one work. So I'm going to find the vendor or the manufacturer and figure out a way to do things. So it's invaluable, I think.
Love that. I love that. And you get that special treatment when you work with a team like Mike and Molly. They are Virtuoso Builders. They're here in San Antonio, and they are ready to work with you. So if you've got a remodeling project in mind and you're ready to get started, give them a call, set up an appointment. You can call them at 210-525-8750. You can also visit virtuosobuilders.com, and be sure you're following them on social media as well.